Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you're going to learn one of the easiest ways to make money online. It's a method that many people are using right now, but not many are talking about it. The reason people are keeping this method quiet is because it's working so well. Some people are earning thousands of dollars every single month with very little effort. They are not creating new content from scratch. They are posting videos that are already out there on the internet. And they're getting paid just for the views. This method works using a platform called Whop. To begin, go to Whop.com. Once you're there, click on the Sign Up button. Whop gives you multiple ways to sign up. You can use your email address, Discord, Google account, Ethereum wallet, Twitter, or Apple account. In this tutorial, let's go with Google. It's fast and simple. Once you're signed in, you will be asked to choose a name and a username. These can be anything you want. After that, you upload a profile picture. Don't overthink this part. Just choose something simple. Now, you are inside the platform. This is where it gets interesting. You're going to join something called Whops. Whops are groups that let you participate in money-making activities on the platform. There are a few Whops that are good to start with. Whop Clips and UGC Factory are two of the most popular. But what you really want to do is find the Whops that offer the best paying campaigns. That's where the real money is. To get there, click on the Discover tab. It's the third button on the navigation menu. Once you are in the Discover section, scroll down past the live streams. You'll see an area called Content Rewards. Content Rewards is where you make money by publishing short videos on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and X. You are paid based on how many views your video gets. The more views you get, the more money you earn. The payment is calculated per 1,000 views. This is known as CPM, which stands for cost per mil or cost per 1,000 views. Now you might be wondering what kind of content to post. You may not have any ideas or inspiration yet. That's okay. Go to the Submissions tab. This is where you'll find videos that other users have already created and submitted. You can see which videos made the most money. This gives you a clear idea of what works. When you're ready to start earning, click on the campaign and press the button that says Start Earning. Before you post anything, it's very important to read the campaign rules. Each campaign has its own set of rules. If you don't follow them, your video won't be accepted and you won't get paid. Some rules are the same across most campaigns. For example, you can't make the product or person in the video look bad. That would not make sense, since they are paying you to promote them. Another important rule is that views must be real. You cannot use bots or fake engagement. If you do, your account could be banned. The platform uses detection tools to make sure that everything is real. It's not worth trying to cheat the system. Focus on making genuine, quality content. That's how you win in the long run. Also, videos must be at least 8 seconds long. It doesn't matter if your video is 6 or 7 seconds. If it doesn't hit the 8-second mark, you won't get paid. So make sure your content fits within that rule. Another rule is that you cannot steal videos from other creators. Your submission has to be your own work. Even though you're allowed to reuse trends or popular ideas, you still need to edit the video yourself. The platform values quality, so take your time with the edit. You don't need professional tools. You can use free apps like CapCut or InShot on your phone. What matters most is how engaging your video is. Switch clips every few seconds. Use clear text overlays. Add trending audio if needed. The goal is to keep people watching. After you've made your video and published it to a social media platform like TikTok or Instagram Reels, come back to Whop and click Submit. You will be asked to paste the link to the published video and upload the original file that you created. This is how the platform tracks your views. Once you've done that, the system starts tracking your views automatically. Within about an hour, you'll start to see payments come in. Every time someone watches your video, you're earning a little more. That's how people are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per video. Now, if you want to find the highest paying campaigns, you can sort the campaigns by CPM. Some campaigns pay up to $50 per thousand views. Others pay 25, 10, or 7. This means if you get 1 million views on a video, you could earn between $10,000 and $50,000 depending on the campaign. What makes this even better is that the content is not long form. You're not creating 10-minute videos for YouTube, you're creating 8 to 30-second clips for platforms where it's much easier to go viral. TikTok and Instagram Reels have fast algorithms that push content to a wide audience quickly. It's not uncommon to get 10 or 20,000 views within the first hour. You can also earn money on Whop by using live streams. When you go to the Discover section, scroll through the live stream area to see what events are happening in real time. These streams are hosted by other users or Whops and often include promotional campaigns, giveaways, or interactive content. Some live streams offer rewards just for attending or engaging with the content. Others will give you a chance to promote your own videos or channels to gain more exposure. This exposure can directly lead to more views on your submitted videos, which means more earnings for you. So even if you're not hosting a live stream yourself, simply participating can boost your results. If you decide to host your own live stream, there are even more ways to make money with Whop. Live streaming gives you a direct line to your audience in real time, allowing you to build trust, answer questions, and guide people step by step. You can use the stream to showcase your content, demonstrate the benefits of joining your campaigns, or give a live tutorial on how to get started on Whop themselves. You can also earn money on Whop by creating and selling your own courses. If you have knowledge or skills in a specific area, you can turn that into a digital product and sell it directly through the platform. Whop allows you to set up your own page where people can purchase access to your course. This could be a video tutorial, a written guide, or a full learning program. For example, if you know how to grow social media accounts, design content, or make money online, you can create a course about that. Once your course is live, you can promote it through your videos, live streams, or social media platforms. Each time someone buys your course, you earn money. This is a great way to build a passive income stream, especially if your content continues to sell over time. This is why this method is so powerful. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need a huge following. You just need to create short, engaging videos using ideas that already work. Find inspiration from the top earners in the submission section. Study what they're doing. Then put your own spin on it. Don't forget to be consistent. The more videos you submit, the more chances you have to earn. You can test different ideas, different hooks, different formats. Over time, you'll figure out what works best for you. Keep refining your style. Look at your results. Double down on what gets the most views. And that's how you can start earning money with Whop as a beginner. There's real money to be made here if you take it seriously. Follow what works, keep it simple, and stay consistent. The opportunity is already here. It's up to you to take the next step.